Hello guys, this is Web3 Bro. Okay, so I've done a lot of videos already on the Bittoken playlist. Just check my channel, you will see the playlist and play all the videos that are there. Okay, so I'm gonna be focusing on bot, the Bittoken bot right here. Because I came to do a little deep analysis on it, and I discovered that even without referring anyone, that you can actually make 5x of your money by just investment. Let me show you how it works. Now, if you look at my balance right here, I have 450 that was mined for me. So the amount I earn per hour currently is 75 RP per hour. Okay, so initially, before I activated the bot, I used to earn 30 per hour. So I ended up claiming 60 per hour. So right now, I have 450, but I can actually multiply this to 900. So I will click on the claim button and I claim. It will show me two options: confirm the exact amount or to X your reward points. So I'm going to click on watch ads. I would advise you to do so, okay? I'm going to click on watch ads and that will pop up an ad and I'll watch the ad. After that, I'll be rewarded with 900 RP. Okay. So this is the kind of ad you watch, okay? Just watch and reward will be granted. When you're done watching the ad, you just click on the X sign and then you're going to grab your full percent. You see that now? I've gotten 900 arrow point, okay? 100 arrow point. I'm going to click on claim. I've claimed. So it will start another round of mining. So what I'm earning right now is 75 per hour because I bought a bot. If you want to go manual without a bot, then definitely you're going to earn very low. Okay, you may have to struggle for a long time. So if you want to access the bots and then buy and increase your mining rate, just click on booster here. All right, you click on booster, and then click on buy bot miner. When you click on buy bot miner, you will now select any of them you want to buy from $1 to $100. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through each of the bot, the earning potentials per month, okay, so that you know what kind of investment you are doing. This is very, very legit and clean. I will show you things. I'll show you things. So that is it. Then you click and buy one of the bot. When you're done buying the bot, you come over here to the same interface of a booster and then click on activate. You see a green button here. Click on activate. If I click on deactivate right now, the bot will stop running. Okay, so the one I have right here is the first one. It's called BM2.5. Okay, so with as low as $1, with as low as $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100, you can activate the bot and then start earning. So let me show you the potential right here. Okay, so now each of the bot will give you a specified number of tokens every month. Like this one I'm running right here. If I click on booster and check on the bots, this one is giving me 2.50x of the initial capital I had. I'm going to show you that in calculation right now. All of these will be explained, okay? So this video may be a little bit longer. Just bear with me. Okay, yeah, just bear with me. So when I say this platform is real, I mean every word. Okay, so just click and get to where you see wallet here. Click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you scroll up. You will now see P2P and then you see stake. Okay, so when you click on this, P2P will not show until your KYC is completed. Okay, I already did a video on how to perform your KYC in the playlist. All right, so now you click on P2P. For instance, you click on P2P and then you will now see place, buy, order, or all of that. Now you now click on place, sell, order. Okay, so I want to show you one thing, what's happening right here. Okay, not that one. you click on quote market quotes. All right, see market quotes here. You click on market quotes. You click on sell quotes. All right, sell quote is like you being on Binance P2P, Bybit, Get.io, Mexi, P2P. All right, so when you are here, you will see each person offering you, the price for you to sell. All right. So this market serves this place serves as a P2P market where you sell to people and also buy from them. That is it about this axis, okay? And then let's go back to the main thing right now, okay? We're gonna do the main thing. Let's go home right now. The main thing is to calculate and show you what you stand to gain for each of the package. Okay, for each of the package. So let's start with booster. Let's start with the first bot. And the first bot is saying, if you activate me with $1, your mining rate will increase to 2.50x per hour, and the claim time is 6 hours. Let's make some calculation right here. On a calculator here, so 2.5x, so 30, that is the default mining rate per hour. So 30 times 2.5. You see that now? It's giving you 75. So what I have right now is 75 per hour. 75 per hour times 24. That's 1,800 hour point per day times 30. We're calculating daily and monthly. Times 30, you're gonna have 54,000 points from there. And then you times it 0.00034. This is you're gonna times 54,000 hour points times 0.00034 BTT tokens. Okay, this is the rate. Then what you will have will be 18.36 BTT tokens. That is BIT tokens, right? Then times 0.5. Remember the listing price? Listing price is 0.5 when it's launched. Okay, when it's launched. So $1 has given you $9.18 per month. This is just a scenario. That means you are making extra $8.18 from just the first package. As we proceed, you will see other packages. So the second bot is called BM12.5, cost $5, and mining rate is 12.50x. And claim time is 8 hours. Claim time is 8 hours. And then, so let's go over to our calculator and do that again. So this one is $5, and then the 30, remember the default mining rate is 30 per hour times 12.5. That's 375 per hour times 24 hours. You have 9,000 per day times 30. You have 270,000 times 0.00034. That is 91.8 BTT. All right, times 0.5. That is $45. How much did you invest? Only $5. So are you seeing the potential? So if you're seeing the potential with me, you're gonna get started immediately before this coin goes live. Because once it goes live, it will stop mining. You can't have access to the bot anymore. That is it. Or even if you have access to the bot, it will be way higher. But now that is mining at such low rate, you can buy and make these on a monthly basis until they launch finally. Yeah, the next one we're gonna discuss right now. So the third one is the third bot is BM25, which costs $10, and then mining rate is 25x per hour. And what you have here is 12 hours for claim. Every 12 hours you can claim this amount that I'm going to calculate right now. So 25. So let's do it. 30 times 25. That's 750 per hour times 24 hours, 18,000 times 30 days, 540,000 times 0.00034. You have 183.6. Now you may look at this coin, you think it's small, but once you multiply it by the listing price, you will know it's huge. Times 0 0.5. That is $91. You invested just $10 in this. That is more like 8x of the money. Okay, so let's go back to other bots that are there. The fourth bot is called BM50, costs $20, and it gives 50x of the the default mining rates, and it lasts for 16 hours to claim. Let's look at the profit you're going to be making monthly. Yes, so we have that is 50, right? Then we have 30 times 50. You have 1,500 per hour times 500 1,500 per hour times 24 hours. You have 36,000 per day times 30. That's 1,080,000 per month times 0.00034. You have 367 BTT times times 0.5, you have $183. How much did you invest? You invested $50 in this one, and you get 183 monthly. Okay, let's go on this way. So the next bot is called BM125. It costs $50, and then you have 125x per hour. It runs for 20 hours that you can claim profit. Okay, claim time, that means the time you are to claim is 20 hours. So the more you earn per hour, the more time you will need to claim, which is beautiful. Yeah, which is beautiful. So mining rate is 125 per hour. So let's look at it and see how far we can come with this one. 125. So we have here 30 times 125, 3,750 per hour times 24 hours, 90,000 per day times 30 days, 2.7 million in a month times 0.00034. Okay, so what do we have right here? We have 918 BTT times 0.5. You see that now? You invested $50 in this and you got $459 in a month. This is crazy. In a month. And you can even sell this even before the month ends. If you have any urgent need, you can just swap to USDT withdraw and perform your stuff that you want to carry out. So that's it for this one. And then let's look at the last one, then we wrap up the video. So the final bot is called BM250. This is the biggest bot with the highest profit. And this one costs $100. Mining rate is X250. That means 30 times 250. That this one is claim time is 24 hours. So you can set your alarm. Every 24 hours you claim. You start again, you claim. End of the month, you can now swap, or you can swap weekly, daily. It depends. It depends. So let's check out what it costs. So now 30 times 250, you have 7,500 per hour times 24. You have 180,000 per day times 30 days. You have 5.4 million in a month times 0.00034. You have 1,836 BTT then times 0.5. So $918. So now this is not Ponzi, okay? You don't even need referral to make money here. I mean, when I discovered this bot, it really blessed me. It really changed the way I look at the platform, okay, initially. So I now know that there's an investment opportunity I can get out of here, mine my coins, cool coins, exchange them for USDT, get them out, make my money every month until the list. Yes, if you can even wait for them to list, you can even have more. So that will be it for the video. I didn't want the video to be too long. Yeah, so you can just glance through any of the bot you want to use, any of the bot you just calculate your profit margin and know what you're going in. Okay, so I'll really encourage you to get the bot if you can. All right, so instead of just struggling manually to mine 30 per hour, of course, I'm gonna upgrade mine. I'm gonna upgrade mine real good because I want to make serious money from this platform. So as you can see, this is all about the video. If you want to learn the navigation on the path, maybe how to do P2P. Maybe the next video I'm going to do will be P2P, how to exchange, how to sell, and all of that. So that is it for the video. So the video was centered on the investment strategy, investment opportunity on Bittoken. Okay, so that anyone that doesn't want to engage in referral or just want to get himself stressed can enjoy the part of the investment, and you cash out every month, every week as you want to do it. So that's it for the video. I remember Web3 Bro. The link will be in the description below. Get the link, register, activate your bot, and begin your journey. So that's it. Web3 Bro once again here. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and like the video, please. Thank you for watching. We will see you in another video.